This is all it is. Not what we did for the warm-up. So jump, lean. Jump, lean. Alright, ready? You come. Lean the leg that's on the floor. Alright, you ready? Don't worry. So listen, if you don't get it high, get hit. It's all about intensity. Set. And go. Top of block. Wait, again. Up. Yes. Now take your time. It's all about staying on that one leg. Come on. Yeah, like it. Yeah, like it. 15 seconds gone. 30 left. Nice. There you go. Don't worry. Just keep eating tension. Good. Up. Hey, come on. Keep rubbing off me down, Jess. 15 seconds. Good. Louis, come on. Up. Hey, good. 10 seconds. Yeah, good. Come on. 5 seconds. Can you get a big one in? Time. Knees to the floor.